Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I got the goods. Let's talk about it. So last video was Sephora sale recommendations. In this video we're going to talk about what I actually bought at the sale. So I'm just going to dig into this. Some of the things that I thought or planned to buy were like out of stock. I was like, what the hell? I was on, ready to go, and yeah, some of them was just like, yeah, no. Majority of the things were ended up being like out of stock online, so I had to end up putting for in-store pickup, which like two things ended up being out of stock. One was in my shade, and I just ended up buying the other one thing online, but I'll tell you. The first thing I got is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray in the Big Mama size, because I've been using the smaller size for the longest, the travel size, and I just decided I love this stuff, why not just get the big one. So yeah, the next thing that I got, and I'm just pulling stuff out of the bag, is the soft services buffing bar. I think they come with two of them. They're like physical exfoliant bricks. That's what they describe them as. They're blue. I don't think, yeah, it comes in like this, but it's a blue exfoliating bar. It's like a soap, but it doesn't, I don't think it suds. I've heard great things about it, but I haven't tried it myself. Eager to try this, and I'll tell you guys how it goes, especially summertime's coming up. You need to look nice, soft, smooth, or buttery. You know how the thing go. It describes it as, this is a set of 2 physical exfoliating bricks for body, skin, made of fine sanding crystals compressed within a moisturizing, soothing base. So yeah, excited to see how that goes. Then we got the faded topicals brightening and clearing eye mask. I think, how many come in here? There's 6 pairs, but I think you can like reuse them. I don't know how true that is. The TikToker at least be saying you can reuse them. Come out. I just want to show them one. So this is how it looks. You rip it open, and yeah, does it say you can reuse them? Oh, it did. Good. It says apply to clean under eye for 15 minutes. Use 2 to 3 times a week. For stubborn discoloration, follow up with faded serum. So I need to get faded serum because you see them dark ass on the eyes that I got. I've had these forever. I doubt that this will do anything drastic, but I also have like really, really dry skin under my eyes. I don't know how true it is that you can reuse these things. But we'll figure it out. Whatever. What else did I get? Then I got the Fenty Beauty Wear Even Hydrating Longwear Concealer. I got this one in the shade 370N. I really got this for highlighting purposes. I wanted a Huda Beauty corrector, but it was sold out in store and I just didn't bother to follow up. This is what it looks like. I don't know how much of a brightening this is. Every time I say I'm buying something for brightening, it ends up blending straight into my skin, even though it's lighter. I don't know. I'd be scared to go super light. Let's see how this is. That should be okay. I don't know. We'll see. It should be okay. And the applicator is very interesting. I can imagine it sitting really nicely and just going. See? All right, Rihanna. And it feels really nice and smooth and buttery. So I believe in a bad gal Riri every time. So, and I heard great things about this, so we're gonna see how it works. Then I got this bad boy that was sold out in store, but then it came back online and I got her. This is really what I needed from Sephora. This one thing is what I really needed. And yeah, ended up getting it because my lips be dry. And I repurchase this all the time, little Laneige lip sleeping mask, and it helps, but I need something else because I tried Carmex. I tried this little thing that my cousin got me, which was, I felt like it was working, but I feel like my lips end up drier than they were before, especially with Carmex. I just can't keep up. Like right now, dry as hell, and I used the lip sleeping mask this morning. So yeah, I don't know. We're gonna see how this bad girl works because I heard it's super thick, and we're gonna see how it goes. Let me see. Let me squeeze her a little bit. See, it's clear. Let's see how it works out. God no, it's not even running across my lips because my lips are so dry. Oh. Minty. It smells good. We're gonna keep this right here. It's called Slick Mouth. Oh, Slick Salve, Slick Mouth, Old Mint Lip Balm. It feels good. We'll figure out how it works, if it works. The next thing I got is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Baking and Setting Powder. Heard excellent things. I heard it's excellent and magnificent. I don't remember who came up with that quote, excellent and magnificent. But yeah, I'm not trying to rip into it because if I gotta return it, I want to return it with a good box. But Huda does not make this easy. How do I open this thing? I'm trying to open it from the end, but it's not. Like, came up with these packaging bass. Can I open this thing? I'm gonna just have to rip into it. If I have to return it, I have to return it. I don't like doing that. I hate ripping into things I gotta return. And I'm not planning to return it. It's just that I bought the shade Kunafa, and I don't know how it would translate on my dark skin because I really wanted something to brighten. I feel like when I get, like, I have the Laura Mercier setting powder, it doesn't brighten anything. It literally blends into my skin. So it's a yellow powder. It's more yellow than whatever, but let's see. I hope it just doesn't give flashback on my skin. That's the only reason I return it. This is how the top looks. How does inside look? And this is what it looks like. It looks very fine. Let me swatch it and see. Oh, it feels very buttery too. You're just swatching everything on this hand. So let's see how it goes. It looks very white on camera, but it doesn't translate that way on my hand. It's very smooth. Let's see how it works out. I'll probably do another video on trying some of these new products. So yeah. How do I? Okay. Did I get anything else? They gave me a sample of the Amika Dream Routine Overnight Hydration, whatever that is, treatment. I guess this is for hair. Amika's a hairline, so yes, it should be here for hair. And the last thing that I got, I'm so excited for, is the, what is this? Viktor&Rolf Flowerbomb Tiger Lily. So let's bust into it. See, like it? You can already smell this. Like a kid in a candy store. You can already smell this. I can already smell this. I got it in the 1.7. Like I said in some video before, I stopped buying the huge bottles until I know I love them. And this is what it looks like. What does it smell like? Let's spray on the box and see. Oh. Oh, this smells so good. Yo, this smells divine. I mean, and I love the original Flowerbomb. Is somewhere behind me, but this is like a perfect summer scent. Oh my goodness, if you have not gotten this, pick it up. I can't, it's like floral, it's like fully floral, like no nothing. It's very florally sweet type thing. I didn't even know the notes of this. But damn, it smells so great. Like it smells like sundresses outside for brunch. Oh my goodness, I don't know how. This is the perfect spring summer scent. If you haven't picked this up, go pick it up. And an honorable mention that I didn't get during the sale, but because it was sold out, but I had to get it on the actual website, was the Forever Mood perfume, the hard to get version of things. Jackie, when I tell you, this box is hard to get into as well. Okay, we got into it. Yo, that Tiger Lily smells so good. Jeez. Okay. Okay, this is packaged lovely. I love how it's secure. This is what it looks like. I'm sure you've seen it all over the internet already. And okay, we're smelling. Ooh, I smell that on the cover already. I already smell it on the cover. I already smelled it on the cover. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. It's like, this I knew the notes for because I had to look it up because I was blind buying. It's like, it does have that zesty smell right off the bat, but then it goes into this vanilla-y. Okay, now it's drying now. You smell most of the vanilla. The Flowerbomb doesn't have vanilla per se that I know of. Let me look it up and see what it's saying. But ooh, not. I think I could mix these together. I wonder if I mix them together how it smell. Let's see what Flowerbomb notes are. The Tiger Lily. The notes say it has fresh solar, coconut milk, Tiger Lily, mango. It's very floral. I don't know how all that. I can see the mango, but yeah. But that is all for my Sephora haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll follow up with some reviews. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.